Hello students, we will be discussing this question and its solution. So the question says, what is the common difference of an AP in which term A21 minus term A7 gives 84? So it is the question of the arithmetic progression chapter of NCERT class 10th, and it is a direct question from the book itself. So we all know the formula that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. We would be using this formula here. By this formula only directly we will get the solution. So we know that A is the first term and D is the common difference of an AP. So putting this formula over here, the A21 term would give A plus 20D and the A7 term would give us A plus 6D, and subtracting them we get 84, which is given in the question. So cancelling the same variables and taking variable to left side and constant to right side, we get 14D is equals to 84. Now taking 14 in the denominator on RHS, we get D is equals to 6. I hope everybody understands it.